Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toadie token. Ticker symbol is Toad. Now this token has been all over the place. Crazy charts. They were trending on Dex Screener. At one point it said here they're up 495,000% according to Dex Screener. A lot of these Solana tokens, these meme tokens are coming out lately and just exploding, trending in the top 10. And yeah, so this is the Toadie token, ticker symbol Toad on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Toadie token. So their official webpage is toadie.co. Over there you can find their socials. They have a Twitter at toadieco. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there. Contact email info@toadie.co. They have a Discord group you can join, Telegram at toadieco, Facebook as well, same address, and they also have Medium articles, toadie.medium.com. So Toad Valley Restoration Quest, breeding toadies for a greener future. Now on their page there's quest stuff you could do. It says join the quest to breed and grow the toadian population. In the heart of Toadie Valley, a new mission unfolds. Your transactions and contributions now play a crucial role in breeding and thriving toadian population. By joining the Toad Valley Restoration Quest, you're not just playing a game, you're actively participating in a vital ecological endeavor. Now we'll go over how to participate in a second. Now if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Phantom wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Toadie token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, toadie.co. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully we could find that here in a second. So how to participate in these quests. Number 1, breeding toadian NFTs. Every action you take in the quest contributes to the breeding of a new toadian NFT. These digital creatures are more than just collectibles. They symbolize the growing life and restoration of Toadie Valley. Also building communities as you breed more toadian NFTs. You're helping to establish vibrant communities within the game, each working together to restore the Toadie Valley to its former glory. Eco-positive transactions. Your in-game transactions go beyond the digital realm. They support the growth and sustainability of the Toadie ecosystem, ensuring a greener and more vibrant future for the valley. Embark on your journey of renewal in the Toad Valley Restoration Quest. So they have the Toadie NFT utility. Now, you can power up and level up your NFTs. The higher Toadie level NFT, the more energy you'll have to leap into the play to airdrop adventures on the Toadie platform. Also, you can level up for more fun. Each level your Toadie NFT brings you closer to the heart of the digital ecosystem, fueling your journey with extra energy and excitement. You can have exclusive event access with your Toadie NFTs and special privileges. Aim for the highest level, join the Toadie evolution, make a real impact, grow your Toadian family, community and collaboration, be part of a community that cares. So if you go to their webpage, you'll see all their socials, but then you'll also see quest here. So it says connect your wallet, and then you can log in with X and get 3 more points. Follow Toadie on X, get 3 more points. Telegram, Discord, subscribe to email. All these things you can get extra points in the game if you want to do any of that. Or you can just get the token. It's up to you. But yeah, there's all the quest information on their webpage. There's the terms, legal agreements, all that type of stuff. You can find this token on DEX Screener. Right now it says they have $321,000 worth of locked liquidity on Raydium. So lots of action there. We can actually put this into DEX Tools too and check their quick audit to see if there's any warnings on there. You can find the contract address, by the way, also on DEX Screener and on DEX Tools, and you can find it on their SolScan. So you could also probably get this token off of Jupiter as well, because it seems pretty popular, and maybe Orca. So yeah, $15.3 million market cap, 4,490 holders right now. By the time I upload this video, it'll probably be a lot more. Circulating supply and total supply is 100 million tokens. They have right now $8.17 million 24-hour trading volume, 942.32 pooled Solana in Raydium, which is equivalent to 1.03 million pooled Toad tokens. And then they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified. It also says here, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable. Then it says here that there is also no other risks. Now keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It is not a full audit, and you should always try to review full audits if they have any, that is. And they have 3 different Medium articles that you could review as well. One of them is about the quests and the NFTs, which is their main utility here on their webpage. But then they have an update on their NFTs, and then they have another one called the Sage Toad Wisdom, so you can check out all that. Their Telegram has 12,863 subscribers on there, so that is a great place to join the community, learn more about the project, and also their Twitter, which has 171,400 Twitter followers, and they just joined in December 2023. Doing insanely well, 153 tweets, blue verified check mark. Check out this project, just all over the charts. These Solana meme coins taking off. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Toadie? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.